Hello everybody and welcome to Planted Places. Today I'm showing you how to use these lovely clippers which we've sent to our customers. So let's turn this around and I'll show you exactly what to do. Keep in mind when you use these clippers that they can be used for different things such as harvesting fresh leaves for you to eat or cutting away old damaged leaves. So I'm going to show you exactly what that means. Let's turn this around here. Here in front of me is a wonderful example. I have some kale here that's starting to become kind of damaged, and right here as well, this kale is damaged. So I'm simply just gonna go ahead and chop them off right there, just like so. Okay, in front of me I have a bok choy that's got a couple of damaged leaves down here at the bottom. Naturally, these leaves kind of start to wilt away as they get older, so I'd recommend harvesting them as soon as possible. Like this leaf right here is ready for harvest, and I could chop that up into a salad. Since it's nice and small, it won't be too tough. Or you could let it grow to be this big, beautiful leaf, either way. But this damaged foliage down here, I'm actually going to go ahead and just clip away, like so. There's even a little bit right here. Now this little leaf here I could actually probably eat. Looks like it's in good health. I just got to make sure that there's no caterpillars or bugs on there. I'll rinse it off really good. But other ways, these guys here can be thrown into a compost bin or into your yard waste. So it's good to use these clippers. Come out here about once a week and get rid of all that diseased or damaged old foliage down there at the bottom, about once a week or so, and it's just wonderful to come out here and kind of get your eyes on the garden. It also kind of helps control pests a little bit too. So there's a tip, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Have a great rest of your day.